Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the markets. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Get ready for a week of key economic events that will shape the market sentiment. The preliminary PMI report from the European zone, UK and USA will provide insights into the global economy's performance. Additionally, the release of the Federal Open Markets Committee meeting minutes and the US GDP data, accompanied by the unemployment claims report, will be crucial for market watchers. Also, be sure to keep an eye on Friday's release of the Core Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, a significant inflation indicator ahead of the upcoming Fed meeting. Don't miss out on our technical analysis for foreign currencies, indices, and commodities later in this video. But before we dive into that, here's an exciting opportunity to win a limited edition branded mug. Simply like the video and answer the following question. What is the difference between the bid and ask price called? Is it A, spread, B, pip, or C, margin? Remember to subscribe to our channel to participate. The giveaway will take place once we reach 300 subscribers. Terms and conditions apply.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, despite improving market sentiment, the US dollar index experienced a second consecutive weekly rise. The ongoing debt ceiling negotiations continue to capture attention, with hopes of a deal still unfulfilled. Treasury Secretary Yellen's recent comments regarding the banking sectors further intensified the focus on this matter. Turning to Wall Street, major US stock experienced a slight downturn as GOP negotiators paused the current debt ceiling negotiations. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.3%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both recorded marginal declines. Shifting our attention to commodities, oil prices fell on Friday amid concerns that the US politicians might not reach an agreement on the debt ceiling, potentially triggering a default and impacting fuel demand. Money managers also reduced their net long positions in US crude oil and options. Lastly, let's discuss gold. The precious metal reversed its weekly decline, rising by 0.9% after Fed Chair Jerome Powell's remarks suggested a potential pause in interest rate hikes. Additionally, GOP lawmakers decided to pause negotiations around raising the debt ceiling, which could support gold's recovery towards the $2,000 level. Stay tuned for our technical analysis. We'll start with the analysis on Euro USD, followed by the S&P 500, crude oil, and gold. In today's analysis, we'll uncover potential trends and key levels to watch for in these markets. Now let's take a look at the analysis for Euro USD. The bearish momentum on the fiber continues. A close below 1.079 could trigger a further decline back down to that lower support. Let's shift our focus to the S&P 500 analysis. The US 500 is currently trading within the primary resistance level. A close below 4,175 could trigger a decline back down to that previous support. Now let's take a look at the analysis on crude oil for today. WTI fell from that resistance level and is turning bearish once more. A close below 71.1 could trigger a decline back down to 68.5. Lastly, looking at the analysis for gold for today. The yellow metal is currently trading right in the middle of that horizontal support and diagonal resistance. A close above 1,982 could trigger a rally, and a close below 1,973 could trigger a decline.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.